Hello friends, now let us discuss delocalization in benzene with plus M group, or we can also consider it as electron releasing group. Before we discuss the delocalization in benzene, let us discuss the position in the benzene, okay? Now let us take a benzene, and benzene, right, without any substituents, right, all the positions are equal. All the positions are equal. Let us put any substituents over there. Let us assume a particular group here. It doesn't matter which group it is. Now the position where the group is substituted over there, that particular position we will consider as first position, and the next positions are second positions, next third, and the fourth position. Now here on the benzene ring, 1 comma 2 positions are known as ortho positions. Ortho. 1 comma 3 positions are known as meta positions. 1 comma 4 is known as para position. Para position. Based on this, we will discuss the delocalization in the benzene ring. Now let us see a benzene with electron releasing group. Benzene with electron releasing group or plus M group. Let us assume this particular group is plus M or electron releasing group. This group is plus M or electron releasing group. As we have already discussed in the case of plus M groups and minus M groups, right? Plus M groups generally will have a lone pairs or negative charge at the conjugative positions, right? Now it has lone pair at the conjugative position to the double bond in the benzene ring. Now let us see how the delocalization takes place. What electron releasing group does, actually they'll release the electrons, right? That's what they'll release the electrons towards the benzene. Okay, when electron releases, what happens? Delocalization should take place, right? This pi electron shifting takes place toward this carbon. Then what happens now? See what happens. The carbon which is getting electrons towards that self gets a positive charge. The group which is releasing the electron, right, that one gets a negative charge over there. Positive charge, sorry. Now what happens? The electron releasing group released the electron. That's what the group gets a positive charge over there. After that, the carbon which is getting the electron gets a negative charge over there, and remaining double bonds same over there. Now what happens? Again delocalization. Now these two are in conjugation, right? The pi bond and the anion are in conjugation. That's what again delocalization takes place. When delocalization takes place, again what happens? Shifting of electrons takes place. Formation of ions takes place, right? Now let us see what is happening right now. This is same. There is no change here. There is no change. After that, what is happening? Here formation of double bond is taking place. This particular carbon is getting the electron. That's what it is, a negative charge, and the electrons remains same over there. Pi electrons remain same. And then in this step, what happens? Again this particular pi bond and this anion are in conjugation, right? Then what happens now? Again delocalization takes place. When delocalization takes place, what happens now? The carbon which is getting the electrons gets negative charge. Here the bond formation takes place, and the group remains same here. And finally what happens now? See here what is happening. The electrons, anion electrons and the pi electrons are in conjugation. Again conjugation takes place. That is what happens, right? Now what happens again? We'll get the compound something like this. Okay, yeah, this is the final one, right? Now what I would like to tell you is that based on this, now with the electron releasing group or plus M group, where the electron density is increasing on the benzene ring right now. Now if you see here at the ortho position, electrons are increased, means negative charge is there, electron density at the ortho position is increased. In the second case, at para position, electron density is increased. In this case, we have again ortho position. Okay, now with electron withdrawing group or plus M group, where the electrons are increasing over there, we'll write the simple statement here. Okay, all plus M groups are electron releasing group. increases electron density at what positions? Ortho and para positions. Okay, if electrophilic substitution takes place on the benzene ring, right, with benzene with the electron releasing group, at what position it will take place? At ortho and para position, because what the charge of electrophile generally? They are electron deficient or positively charged one, right? Where they'll go to the negative charge, right? Where the negative charge is there? At ortho and para position. Now let us see what happens on the benzene with minus M group over there. Now let us see delocalization benzene with minus M group or electron withdrawing group. Okay, let us take a benzene with electron withdrawing group over here. Let us take a particular group. Let us assume this group is electron withdrawing group. This group is electron withdrawing group. What the role of electron withdrawing group or minus A group? They'll pull the electrons towards themselves, right? What happens? Electron shifting takes place towards themselves. Electron shifting takes place towards themselves. Now what is happening now? When electron shifting takes place, this carbon, like electrons are getting away from this particular carbon. That's why this carbon gets a positive charge. Now this carbon gets a positive charge. The remaining pi bonds remains same over there. Now again this carbocation and the pi bonds over there on conjugation. That's what again conjugation takes place. When conjugation takes place, again this electrons are getting away from this particular carbon. That's why this carbon gets again the positive charge over there. What is happening now? This carbon gets a positive charge. That is what we'll get. After this, what do we have now? We have a carbocation here. We have a pi bond over there. These two are in conjugation again. These two are in conjugation over there. What happens? Again conjugation takes place like this. When what happens? Now electrons are getting away from this particular carbon, right? That's what this carbon gets a positive charge over there. After the positive charge, what happens now? Again this particular pi bonds and the carbocations are in conjugation. Again delocalization takes place, something like this. Now finally we'll get this kind of structure here. One second. Now during this delocalization on benzene with electron withdrawing group or minus M group, there is no increasing the electron density on the benzene ring, but there is decrease in electron density on the benzene ring. Now at what position decreasing here? Now if you see, we have carbocation over there, right? Cation means what? Electron deficiency, decreasing, right? That's what, where the electron density is decreasing, we can say here ortho position. This is the ortho position. At para position again we have ortho position here. Now with minus M group, generally we can also state one particular statement here. All minus M groups decreases electron density on benzene ring at what position it is decreasing? Ortho and para positions, right? Ortho and para positions. Now let us think of the substitution of electrophile, where electrophile will go on the benzene ring for the substitution. Now at ortho and para position there is no electron deficiency is there, and where the remaining position is there, only meta position is there. At meta position electrophile will readily go when electron withdrawing group is there on the benzene ring. Now based on that we can say one particular statement over here. Let me write it over here. All plus M groups plus M are electron releasing groups plus M groups increases electron density on benzene at ortho comma para positions. Therefore we can say that all plus m groups are ortho comma para directing groups. For what? For the electrophile. Now let us see another statement based on minus m group. Okay, all minus m groups are electron withdrawing groups. Decreases electron density on benzene ring at ortho comma para positions. Therefore where the electrophile will go? Only at the meta position, right? That's what all minus m groups are meta directing group. Now if you observe with the delocalization with the plus m group or minus m group or electron withdrawing group or releasing group, right, there is no change at the meta position, right? There is no change at the meta position. That's what one thing we can clearly say, that mesomeric effect is present only at ortho comma para positions. Positions. Okay, mesomeric effect is not present at meta position. These are about how the delocalization takes place in benzene with the electron releasing group and withdrawing group, how they will direct the incoming electrophile. That is what about this class. Thank you for watching.